Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use the Night Staff in Grow a Garden Roblox. Alright, let's begin. The Night Staff is a special tool used to get moonlit mutations on your plants. When placed during the night cycle, it randomly transforms up to 6 fruits within its radius into moonlit versions. These moonlit fruits are more valuable and offer better multipliers when sold. Keep in mind, the Night Staff only works for 6 transformations per night. This item was originally available during the lunar event. You could earn it by reaching certain lunar point milestones. 40 points earned you 1 Night Staff, 110 gave another, 250 got a third, and 360 points unlocked 2 more. The event is no longer active, so currently the Night Staff isn't obtainable through normal gameplay. To use it, simply place the Night Staff next to the plant you want affected. The plant must be within the staff's range to benefit. You can check its range using other rods or staffs, like the Nectar Staff, which shows a visual radius when placed. If the plant falls inside that circle, it has a chance of being mutated into a moonlit version. So that's basically how you can use the Night Staff in Grow a Garden Roblox. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.